Brent here, Midlands Home Inspections, performing inspection out here in Omaha this afternoon. I want to point out garage in here. Typically new garage doors have safety devices installed within 6 inches from the ground to help for safety for small children, pets, anything like that run through the door as it's shutting. Those safety sensors will, raise the door back up for safety before anything gets hit. This current homeowner here installed those safety devices instead of along the floor. He installed them up here along the ceiling together so they would always work. Obviously incorrect, and we'll be definitely recommending the seller or the buyer to come back in, get this corrected to the manufacturer's specs for safety on that garage door. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections. Have a great day.